Hey guys! Note, if you buy from my link, then you will get a big bonus from me. So stick to the end. Welcome to my YTSuite review. If you are looking for an YTSuite review, then you come to the right place. I am going to explain what YTSuite is and how it works. I will also talk about its features, benefits, pricing, autos, discount, full demo, pros, cons, and much more essential information in this YTSuite review that will help you better understand the product. After watching this video, you will be able to decide if YTSuite is worth your time and money, and make your purchase without any confusion or doubts. What exactly is YTSuite? YTSuite is an all-in-one, easy-to-use cloud app that does everything needed to create highly profitable AdWords and YouTube advertising campaigns for local businesses. This groundbreaking app comes with agency rights, allowing you to run a YouTube advertising agency for the first time ever, or simply use the technology to get agency leads yourself. YTSuite review. How does it work? Get started creating profitable YouTube ads campaigns automatically for yourself or clients with just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Create their YouTube optimized lead video. Create a perfectly optimized YouTube video ad from many DeFi templates in hot local business niches or from scratch. These templates are optimized specifically for YouTube and AdWords ads. Customize everything in a click, including text, motion backgrounds, transitions, voiceovers, and more. Step 2. Find money-saving AdWords placements, topics, and keywords to save money. Then, make clients' YouTube campaigns profitable by letting YTSuite find the best AdWords placements, topics, and keywords to use in your campaigns. Uncover the best, hidden places to show your YouTube videos, the most profitable topics and audiences, and more to save as much money as possible. Step 3. Create their AdWords optimized landing page. Next, let YTSuite create an AdWords approved, fully optimized and congruent lead page for each video you make. Choose from many hot local business niche templates, customize each in just a few clicks, and host them on YTSuite servers. Step 4. Auto-submit campaigns to their AdWords account and get paid. Then, finish creating your fully optimized AdWords campaign and submit it in one click to each client's AdWords account to start sending them instant leads and sales fast. Charge per campaign setup, per lead, or a monthly fee for app access. YTSuite review. Exclusive features and benefits. Smart video creation engine. Create professional, high-converting videos from scratch or from carefully constructed templates for your video advertising campaigns. Drag and drop multi-timeline video editor. Point and click your way to exciting videos with this most advanced viral video creation software. DeFi lead video templates. Use YTSuite DeFi video templates to instantly create lead and sale videos fully optimized for YouTube ads. Auto-create high-converting landing pages. Create congruent lead generation pages hosted for you that match your video ads for leads and sales. Find placements, topics, and keywords. Save money on your AdWords and YouTube ads campaigns by finding the best placements, AdWords topics, and keywords to show ads on. Get pre-qualified clients. Quickly find and land clients frustrated with Facebook ads and needing YouTube ads campaigns set up. Auto-create and submit campaigns to AdWords. Let the app create a high-converting YouTube video ads campaign for you and submit it to AdWords. YouTube ads training. Get bonus training on how AdWords works and best setup practices to go along with YTSuite advanced video technology. AdWords training. Never run a YouTube or AdWords advertising campaign before? We'll show you how in bonus training. DeFi lead video templates in hot local niches. Get 20+ DeFi video templates to instantly create lead and sale videos fully optimized for your tab ads. These are fully optimized specifically for YouTube video ads. Find profitable YouTube placements. AdWords allows you to choose specific channels, videos, or pages to place your ads on. This helps dramatically decrease costs. YTSuite enables you to find the most congruent and profitable placements for each of your clients' campaigns. Find profitable AdWords topics. AdWords AI has created lists of audiences you can show your clients' ads in front of. YTSuite helps find the most relevant topics to include in your campaign fast and easy. Find profitable long-tail campaign keywords. Keywords are an essential part of YouTube and all AdWords campaigns, but it's still difficult to find profitable longer-tail keywords to use within AdWords. The Keyword Finder lets you find the most relevant and untapped keywords to show ads on. Organize by clients.